Comparative embryology. Comparative embryology is the study of morphological similarities and differences between embryonic stages of different vertebrates. Different vertebrates have a number of similarities. The most significant similarity is seen in the embryonic stages during early development. Very similar embryos indicate a recent common ancestry, that is, the evolutionary relationship is closer. For instance, the embryos of all vertebrates have similar features. These include gill slits, a tail, and a two-chambered heart. Play the animation to view the comparative embryonic stages of different vertebrates. Cell biology. Organisms sharing the same chemical characteristics are considered to be more closely related than those lacking such affinities. For example, most plants contain chlorophyll, cellulose, and starch, all of which are absent from tissues of animals. Similarly, chemicals such as nucleic acids, ATP, and cytochromes, and organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosomes appear to be of universal occurrence in all organisms. This strongly supports the view that all organisms have a common ancestry. Vertebrates possess adrenaline and thyroxine, neither of which is found in other groups. Animals have blood pigments which enhance transport of oxygen in the body. Such pigments include hemoglobin, chlorochlorine, and hemocyanin. Each of these pigments is found in related organisms. The table shows pigments and organisms where they are found. Mechanism of evolution. Several theories have been formulated on how evolution may have occurred. Some of the theories include those proposed by Lamarck in 1809 and Darwin in 1859. Lamarck's theory. Lamarck proposed a theory to account for the mechanism of evolution based on two conditions: the use and disuse of parts of organisms and inheritance of acquired characteristics. He proposed that when the environment demanded the need of a particular structure in an organism, the organism developed in response to the demand during its lifetime. The traits acquired during the lifetime of the individual were believed to be heritable and thus transmitted to the offspring. Lamarck cited as an example the long neck and legs of modern giraffes. These were thought to have resulted from short-necked and short-legged ancestors believed to have stretched their necks to feed on leaves at progressively higher level of trees. At each stretch, the length of the necks increased and was passed over to the offspring of the particular giraffes. Play the animation to see short-necked and short-legged giraffes trying to feed on tall trees. Lamarck also cited the example Lamarck's emphasis on the role of the environment in However, his explanation that such acquired characteristics are inherited makes his theory unacceptable. It is important to note